Hi everyone, as usual, I am here today to teach you how to prepare 2 rice recipes for 6 months old little baby. So, first, welcome you all to our channel Food for Baby. Today, I am going to prepare 2 special rice recipes. First one is a rice with pumpkin and butter. First, I have taken here suvandal rice and first wash rice very well. Meanwhile, you can cut pumpkin into small pieces. So now here I add pieces of pumpkin into the bowl which contains rice and add 2 cups of water. And now I'm going to cook rice. So if your baby is 6 months and if he or she rejects food, you can try these various tastes. So now the rice is cooked. Now here I put cooked rice into a bowl. And now add 1 teaspoon of butter. You should take unsalted butter. Now I'm grinding this using a hand grinder until it becomes very creamy. So now our dish is ready. It is very nutritious and contains vitamin C and all. So now let's see how to prepare the second dish. Here also I've taken rice, suvandal rice, and first wash rice very well. Now cook it by adding 2 cups of water. So now rice is ready. Again here I put it into a bowl. So now here I add egg yolk. This is not a full one, I have taken only half. And add some breast milk. If not, you can use for formula also. Again I am going to chop these. Here I am using a hand blender. There shouldn't be any pieces since the baby is still 6 months. So try these various tastes for your baby, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share this video with your loved ones. So hope to see you soon with another video. Thank you very much.